Hello, and welcome to this brief introduction to Vimeo Library. Vimeo's Video Library is a centralized destination for employees to share and access knowledge across departments and teams. This feature is available with Vimeo's Enterprise account. The Video Library can house both on-demand videos and live streaming assets. It promises to deliver a branded video experience in one centralized location. Video can be organized by departments, teams, and topics. Video collaboration tools such as Vimeo Review and Team Settings allow enterprise-level customers to share and review videos across the organization easily. Every video is transcribed within Vimeo Library, which creates a powerful way to search for videos across large company libraries. This empowers employees to find what they need without having to request and reach out to creative teams or video owners internally. Additionally, there are more ways to control team settings to meet compliance or any special requirements your organization has. With secure video login, users can ensure that only the right people have access to your company's sensitive content with built-in security, like single sign-on, user provisioning, and administrative controls for individual folders and workspaces. Video Library also works with recorded Zoom meetings and town halls, allowing videos to exist in one place. Add the Vimeo app in the Zoom Marketplace to access this feature. Vimeo's Video Library allows enterprise users to create a visually pleasing front-facing video experience, while providing the back-end tools that large organizations need. I highly encourage enterprise users to give this a demo. Thank you, and be sure to check out the other tutorials here on Streaming Media Producer.